I'll be honest, freedom starts right here. This is where real freedom starts. For the last decade, I've been chasing financial freedom. I've learned numerous skills. I've learned everything you can think. I've spent thousands and thousands of dollars, write-offs, to document that. And I still was lost. Why was I lost? Because I was approaching the world totally the wrong way. I was approaching my ideal customer totally the wrong way. And when I made a simple shift, everything changed. Immediately when I realized I'm not posting videos for me to watch them. I'm posting for that ideal person out there that's sitting in the car right now, wondering what are they going to do in life, wondering how are they going to get that freedom. It's no surprise that 90% of people are living this robot lifestyle. They're doing just enough to get by. They're waking up sweating, hitting that alarm clock at 5 a.m., knowing how their day is going to go. A lot of anxiety, a lot of stress. And then even those that are, really putting in the work, really making the money, climbing up the ladder, the stress is still there. It doesn't matter how you skin the fish. Stress and a lack of freedom is there. I'm not a conspiracy theorist to tell you about jumping out the matrix. If I ever say anything remotely close to that, what I mean is making money like clockwork, making money that doesn't require you to spend your whole day in an office, online, or on the phone, and making money that, literally shows you the fruits of your labor and it's worth it. You shouldn't have to keep putting your time in order to make a paycheck. And only a specific person is going to understand that. A lot of people are going to, say I'm blowing smoke. A lot of other people aren't going to relate to that. And that's another thing that I learned. You're not after the world. Everyone's not supposed to agree with you. Everyone's not supposed to see through your eyes. A specific person, and when you dial in that specific person, everything changed. And that's what I'm going to show you guys. I have a free download for you in the comments. This is going to be the enter button for a new world of thinking. Not only are you going to be on my email list, but you're going to be on an email list that literally, even if you spend $0 with me, shows you all the resources you need to take over the internet and start making money on demand. This is what it's all about. It's not about me going out and getting a whole bunch of income proof and coming and smacking it in your face and showing off what I did. This is about holding your hand and pulling you into the water and showing you how to swim. So no more wasting time. Everything's going to be in the description.